Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can change server location in Hostinger. First we need to log in our Hostinger account. Login. And then we need to navigate our top bar, and here you can see website. Click on that. And now click on manage. Now here you can see business web hosting. For me it's business web hosting. So let's click see details. Now on the right side here you can see the server details. This is server name, server location. Currently the server location is North America, and this is FTP details. Okay, so if you want to change this server location, you can change it by click this pen icon. In my case I have already changed it and I have to wait 5 days and then I can change it. So you can change the server location from here. Just click on this, then it will be ask you which server you want to choose, then select the server, then you can change it. So this is how you can change server location in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.